My name is Beth Corva, and I've been a patient here about a year, a little over a year. So my initial impression was, here are some folks who are going to take care of me, they're going to listen to me, I'm going to have the experience here that I want, not what a doctor thinks I need. And so that was comforting for me. Meeting Dr. Harmon, I just had a lot of confidence in him because he did share so much of what the experience would be like. I also really loved the fact that it would take place right here in the office and in a familiar place and a place that was easy to access. And I just felt like he was bringing in very competent people to help with the procedure too, which set my mind at ease. I came in early the day of the surgery and met Dr. Harmon here. And again, it was really nice because my husband dropped me off and we didn't have to worry too much about parking. And he introduced me right away to the anesthesiologist, who again put my mind at ease. Everybody who was here, I felt like it was their desire, their hope, their goal to make the experience comfortable for me, which it absolutely was. I wasn't nervous at all. It was actually very comfortable. And when I woke up from the surgery, a couple hours later, it was again, Dr. Harmon talked to me about what had happened during the surgery. It was all good, just went as planned. And so again, it was a comfortable, easy experience. What makes Dr. Harmon unique and very special is the time that he takes with you as an individual. The time that he takes to sit and listen. You never, ever feel like you're rushed. He really takes that time to listen to what you say, respond to what you say, listen to your concerns, and he makes you feel like you're the only person that's important to him at that moment, and that your satisfaction is what is driving him. So that made me feel very special because I just really felt like he cared. After the procedure, I was really surprised by how comfortable I felt. I wasn't in much pain. I felt confident that I was going to, it wasn't going to be a long recovery for me because, gosh, the first day just rested at home. And beyond that, it was just really easy. Now, it took a week or so before I walked out into public again, but that recovery time was really quite minimal. I was surprised by that. I thought it would be more difficult. And I saw Dr. Harmon, the weeks afterwards more often. So if I had any questions or concerns during that recovery time, he answers those questions right away. And he also was open to having me, of course, call at any time. But the recovery was quite easy. The procedure I had with Dr. Harmon really was, honestly, pretty life-changing for me. I was really self-conscious about my neck, as many women my age are. I felt like I had kind of a pile of neck at the bottom of my neck, and I just was very self-conscious about it. Wearing turtlenecks, trying to hide my neck, I was just really self-conscious. And I didn't have this procedure. I know it might seem a little vain to do something like this, but the reason I did it was not like to become a beauty queen. I really did it so I wouldn't think about what about my face and my neck were bothering me. This just kind of wiped all that away, and now I don't worry about it anymore. So it's made a big difference for me. I'm a lot less self-conscious than I used to be about my looks, and I really appreciate that because it's hard when you're getting dressed up to go someplace or you're meeting somebody for the first time and you have something about yourself that really bothers you. And like I said, Dr. Harmon really listened to my concerns, and I no longer have that self-consciousness that I did before the surgery. Honestly, I have recommended Dr. Harmon to many people, and I always say, if you are going to get something done, Dr. Harmon is the doctor to take care of it. And again, it's just because of the wonderful experience that I had the care that he gives, the time that he gives, the attention that he gives to your concerns. So I would say to anybody who's considering getting any type of procedure, I wouldn't go to anybody else besides Dr. Harmon.